Hey yo, what's up guys? I got some new keycaps for my keyboard, so I'm unboxing these and reviewing them today. The keys I got were Saba keys. They're like 40 bucks. They're putting keycaps. It's a full set. I got the Frost Reverse, so if y'all want to go check those out, link will be in the description. And yeah, let's get straight to unboxing these. Alright, so the keyboard's unplugged. Sorry about the camera quality, it's not the best. Let's take these out really quick. So it does come with the keycap puller. I do like how they come in this layout. So I actually do like the feeling of them too. They got like that kind of like rubbery kind of slick feeling. These are smoother, but these are more like good for like gripping and stuff. So I'm gonna start putting these on and do a little time lapse for y'all. So hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so I got all the keys off. Now I'm gonna start putting on all of these. I'll see you guys with the finished product. So guys, I finished putting on all the keycaps. This is what the keycaps look like without any lighting on. They're really nice. The camera quality isn't the best, so it's kind of hard to see like what the keys actually like look like. But I will post, or I'll try and like link a few pictures in the video like right now, so you can get a better view of them. This is what they look like with the coloring on. They're really hard to see though. I'll try and position the camera, so these are the keys right here. Sorry about the camera quality, but that's a little better look at them right there. Yeah, I really like the look of these keys. The quality overall feels great. I definitely do recommend getting these keys. They are very nice. They fit perfectly on the keyboard, which was the one thing I was worried about. And for the price of 40 bucks, bro, I mean, it's kind of a steal. You can't really beat it. The only thing I think they'd look better on is maybe with a white casing, because my casing is black. But other than that, let's get into a typing test really quick. So yeah. Well, yeah, boys, that was a typing test. It looks really nice. It feels great as well. The keys feel awesome. I suspect they'll also feel awesome when I'm playing games, editing videos, things like that. But I just want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.